Mathematics Grade 6 First Quarter Week 1 Lesson 2 Subtraction of Simple Fraction. Fraction are composed of numerator and denominator. Example of fraction: 3/4, 1/4, and 2/4 are similar fraction. 2/3, 3/4, and 5/6 are dissimilar fraction. 1 and 2/3, 2 and 3/4, and 3 and 3/4 are mixed fraction. Always remember, class, to subtract similar fraction, we subtract the numerator and copy the denominator. Then reduce your answer to lowest term if possible. Example: 3/4 minus 2/4 equal to 1/4. Next example, class, 8/10 minus 4/10 equal to 4/10, or we reduce it to lowest term. We divide both sides by 2, it becomes 2/5, the final answer. Example on how to subtract dissimilar fraction. Example number 1. 3/4 minus 2/6. Always remember, class, to subtract the similar fraction, we find first the LCD or least common denominator. We use skip counting method. Look at the example below. The LCD of 4 and 6 is 12, and then we use 12 to change 3/4 and 2/6 in similar fraction, and then perform the operation subtraction. 9/12 minus 4/12 equal to 5/12, the final answer. Next example, class, is subtraction of mixed fraction. Look at the illustration below. We have 3 and 3/5 minus 2 and 1/6. Always remember, class, to subtract the similar fraction, we find first the LCD or least common denominator, then change them to similar fraction, and proceed to operation subtraction. Reduce your answer to lowest term if possible. We use listing method or skip counting method to find the LCD of a given fraction. The LCD of 5 and 6 equal to 30. We use 30 to change 3 and 3/5 and 2 and 1/6 in similar fraction. It becomes 18/30 minus 5/30, and perform the operation. 18 minus 5 equal to 15, and copy the denominator 30. 15 and 30 are divisible by 15, so we divide both sides by 15. 15 divide 15 equal to 1, 30 divide 15 equal to 2, and then subtract the whole number. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. The final answer, class, 1 and 1/2. Short video on how to subtract similar fraction. Example number 1, 8/12 minus 5/12. Always remember, class, if the fraction having the same denominator, it means it's similar fraction. To subtract, simply subtract the numerator. 8 minus 5 equal to 3, and then copy the denominator 12. Okay, if possible, we're going to reduce our answer to lowest term. 3/12 are divisible by 3. If we divide both sides by 3, the final answer is 1/4. Another example, class, 6/10 minus 4/10. We have the same denominator or similar fraction again. Simply subtract the numerator. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. And then copy the denominator 10. If possible again, we reduce the answer to lowest term. We divide both sides by 2, and then 2. The final answer equal to 1/5. The next example, class, subtraction of mixed fraction. Example number 1, 3 and 3/5 minus 2 and 2/10. To subtract mixed fraction again, they have having different denominator. We're going to find the LCD using skip counting method. Okay, this is the illustration. 5, 10, 15, so on and so forth. 10, 20, 30, so on and so forth. The LCD of 5 and 10 equal to 10. Then we change 3 and 3 over 5 minus 2 and 2 over 10 to similar fraction. We use 10 as denominator. 10 divide 5 equal to 2 times 3 equal to 6 minus 10 divide 10 equal to 1 times 2 equal to 2. Next, subtract 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Copy the denominator, 10. Okay, if possible class, we're going to reduce our answer to lowest term. 4 and 10 are divisible by 2. We divide both sides by 2. 4 divide 2 equal to 2. 10 divide 2 equal to 5. Next, we subtract the whole number. 3 minus 2 equal to 1. Okay, our final answer is 1 and 2 over 5. The next example class, subtraction of dissimilar fraction. When we say dissimilar fraction, they having different denominator. Magkaiba yung denominator niya. For example, 3 over 4 minus 2 over 6, dissimilar fraction. To subtract dissimilar fraction, first we find the LCD. Okay, look at the illustration below class. The LCD of 4 and 6 is 12. Okay, to find the LCD, we use skip counting method. 4, 8, 12, 16, so on and so forth. And then sa 6, 12, 18, and then so on and so forth also. Okay, the LCD of 4 and 6 equal to 12. Okay, to subtract 3/4 minus 2 over 6, we use 12 as denominator. We change them to similar fraction. 12 divide 4, 3 times 3 equal to 9 minus 12 divide 2, 6 times 2 equal to 4, and then subtract 9 minus 4 equal to 5 over 12. Final answer. Subtract the following fractions. Reduce your answer to lowest term if possible. Number 1. 5 over 8 minus 3 over 8. What is your answer? 2 over 8 or 1/4. Number 2 question class. 10 over 15 minus 8 over 15. What is your answer? Very good. 2 over 15. Number 3 question class. We have mixed fraction. 4 and 5 over 6 minus 2 and 2 over 4. What is your answer? Very good. 2 and 4 over 12 or 2 and 1/3. Number 4 question class. 4 over 6 minus 3 over 8. What is your answer? Very good. 7 over 24. Number 5 question class. 6 over 9 minus 2 over 9. What is your answer? Very good. 4 over 9. Number 6 question class. 5 over 12 minus 2 over 6. What is your answer? Very good. 1 over 12. That's all for today, class. I hope you learned a lot. Always remember that math is fun and easy. Keep safe, everyone.